For the world's richest, properties are but a mere drop in the ocean for the vast sea of wealth. While many of us are paddling along with mortgage repayments and the like, these guys can purchase some of the most extravagant, lavish homes outright without a second thought. So, who has the most luxurious house in the world? You decide for yourself while you watch our list of luxurious homes in the world's billionaires. Number 10. Dazzling House of Rihanna. Very few singers can call themselves billionaires, but Rihanna certainly can. The chart-topping star is now a fully-fledged business mogul thanks to her hugely successful beauty brand, Fenty. Fans of the singer will already know that she has an amazing property portfolio. In early 2021, not long after things got serious with rapper A$AP Rocky, with whom she now shares a son, Rihanna snapped up this sprawling 5-bedroom and 7-bathroom mansion in the exclusive 90210 zip code of Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. The Umbrella singer put down $13.8 million for the tour, and we can understand why. The 5,900 square foot residence is surrounded by other celebrity homes and was built in 1938. Formerly owned by Mary Sheldon, daughter of the legendary novelist and screenwriter Sidney Sheldon, the pad was later bought by tech entrepreneur Daniel Starr, who demolished and rebuilt the home, resulting in the real estate gem we see today. The ultra-contemporary farmhouse blends modern and traditional design elements to dazzling effect. Number 9. Penthouse of Jeff Bezos. He has a slew of extravagant properties at his disposal. The Amazon founder and recent space tourist has been busily buying up lavish properties following his 2019 divorce. He has expanded a real estate folio that already includes a sprawling compound in Medina, Washington, and an imposing mansion in America's capital. Not long after his divorce with Mackenzie Scott was finalized, the billionaire dropped around $80 million on an incredible triplex penthouse and 2 apartments below it in Manhattan's 212 Fifth Avenue, an elegant 24-story neo-Gothic skyscraper built in 1912 overlooking Madison Square Park. The handiwork of top interior design studio Pembroke and Ives, the sensational 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom penthouse spans 10,000 square feet and offers 5,000 square feet of outside space. Finished to the highest specification imaginable, the triplex wows with everything from state-of-the-art smart home tech to copious Carrara marble and a chef's kitchen packed with Gaggenau appliances. The multi-level rooftop terraces and garden area are something else, with a pool, an observatory, and lush landscaping. Bezos followed up his original purchase by snapping up an additional unit last year for $16 million. No doubt, he has plans to create one almighty combined unit that'll be the envy of the Big Apple. Number 8. Houses owned by Elon Musk. Like Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk is a major space enthusiast. In 2020, the Tesla tycoon revealed plans to offload all of his homes together with most of his worldly possessions to help fund a colony on Mars. True to his word, the eccentric billionaire has more or less completed his epic downsizing mission. So where did he live and where does he live now? After selling a luxe 16,000 square foot mansion in Bel Air for $29 million, a characterful 5-bedroom residence once owned by actor Gene Wilder for $9.5 million, and a 4-home package deal for $62.5 million, it was time for Musk to rid himself of the last of his 7 homes, this historic estate in the affluent San Francisco Bay Area community of Hillsborough. But he put it on the market for a whopping $30 million. The stately home dates back to the early 20th century and has 7 bedrooms and 9.5 bathrooms. It sprawled 16,000 square feet and impresses with exquisite interiors, including a grand ballroom and banquet dining room. It's also surrounded by 47 acres of land, which come complete with a pool, formal gardens, private hiking trails, canyons, and even a reservoir. So where did Musk move to? Well, after shedding his property empire, Musk announced on Twitter that he had moved into a tiny home that cost him just $50,000. This is less than Tesla Model S. Designed by startup Boxable, the residence spans just 375 square feet and boasts a compact floor plan that is nowhere near substantial enough for hosting significant business meetings. The small prefab property is set to be installed at the billionaire's SpaceX Starbase launch site in the southern Texas town of Boca Chica. Number 7. Private island owned by Richard Branson. The ultimate piece of real estate for the billionaires of the world has got to be a private island hideaway, and Richard Branson, who has a fortune of $4 billion, owns not just one, but 2 of the most alluring. The Virgin boss, a recent space tourist like Jeff Bezos, bought his first, the blissful Necker in the British Virgin Islands, back in 1979 for a mere $180,000, 97% under its original asking price. As a condition of the sale, the business magnate pledged to construct a resort on the 74-acre island and got the ball rolling by building an 11-bedroom Balinese-style home perched on a hilltop, which he called the Great House. Over the years, the island has welcomed a plethora of VIPs, from Princess Diana and Prince Harry to Barack Obama, Kate Winslet and Kate Moss, who held her 40th birthday bash there. Branson made a permanent move to the island in 2006, leading to accusations that he did so to dodge tax, though the billionaire Virgin founder denies this. His dream home may be a haven of tranquility, but it nonetheless has seen its fair share of disasters. In August 2011, the property was gutted by a devastating fire, before being flattened by Hurricane Irma in September 2017. Following both disasters, the Great House was rebuilt at a significant cost and kitted out with luxurious Balinese-inspired furnishings. Shown here is the gorgeous indoor-outdoor entertainment room. The perfect place to kick back, it features comfy sofas, a snooker table, a grand piano, and more. Number 6. XANADU 2.0, Seattle, owned by Bill Gates. The richest man in the world, Bill Gates, owns this simple-looking but extravagantly architected mansion on the edge of Lake Washington. Named XANADU 2.0, this 66,000-square-foot residence was designed by Borland, Chewinski Jackson, and Cutler Anderson architects and built over 7 years. The earth-sheltered mansion boasts quite many features apart from its sustainable design, including a high-tech sensory system changing the ambience to suit mood and timing, and pool with an underwater music system, a 2,500-square-foot gym with a 20-feet-high ceiling, 24 bathrooms, 6 kitchens, a library, and a full-fledged guest house. Number 5. Kensington Palace Gardens, UK, owned by LAKSHMI. Steel Baron Lakshmi Mittal shares a neighborhood with some of the world's richest icons. London's prime and priciest residential address, that is Kensington Palace Gardens, is also the second most expensive street in the world. According to reports, the average price per square meter here is $107,000. Lakshmi Mittal owns not one, but 3 palatial homes on this street numbered 9A and 18 to 19. The house was designed by Sir Charles Barry in 1845 as a pair of semi-detached palazzo-style villas. Lakshmi spent millions to renovate and transform the Renaissance-style mansion into Taj Mittal. With a total of 12 bedrooms, a pool, and Makrana marble, this mansion can be considered a pricey tribute to his Indian origins. Number 4. Villa Les Cedres, France, owned by MARNIER-LAPOSTOLLE family. Villa Les Cedres on the French Riviera, priced at a whopping $410 million, is fit for a king, probably because it was built for the King of Belgium back in 1830. The 18,000-square-foot home comes with 14 bedrooms, an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a wood-paneled library holding 3,000 books on flora and naturalism, including a 1640 edition of a botanical codex, a man-made pond with Amazonian lily pads, a bronze statue of Athena, a chandelier-lit ballroom, a stable spacious enough for 30 horses, grand sitting rooms, 19th-century portraits of ornate frames, and stunning woodwork throughout. With a list price of $410 million, the owner, the Italian distiller David Campari Milano Spa, is betting that the house's combination of history, luxury, and prime location will be enough to make it the most expensive residential sale in history. Number 3. Fairfield, New York, owned by RENNERT. He is an American billionaire, owns his sprawling mansion, part of a 63-acre estate called Fairfield, one of the largest in the United States. It includes several architectural forms and has 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, 3 dining rooms, 3 swimming pools, and a 164-seat theater. The estate also includes a recreation pavilion with a basketball court, gym, 2 bowling alleys, 2 tennis courts, 2 squash courts, and many other buildings. A residence of this size additionally requires an immense supply of electricity, which is provided by an on-site power plant. Number 2. Antilia, India, owned by Mukesh Ambani. Like many billionaire families, Ambani's too want an opulently unique and customized residence. Thus began the conceptualization and construction of Antilia, designed by the firm Perkins & Will, named after a mythical island in the Atlantic Ocean. Costing over $1 billion and taking 4 years to be constructed, Antilia now stands proudly amidst the slum-filled context of Mumbai. This 27-floor high residence, stacked to achieve an area of about 400,000 square feet, surpasses the Palace of Versailles in terms of the area encompassed. With 6 levels of parking below ground level, 3 helipads, a health spa, a salon, a ballroom, a 50-seat movie theater, multiple swimming pools, yoga and dance studios, and an ice cream room, maintaining Antilia reportedly requires a staff of about 600. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, UK. The King of England is the king of real estate. Buckingham Palace is technically a crown property and comprises 775 rooms and 188 staff rooms, including 52 royal and guest bedrooms, 92 offices, 78 bathrooms and 19 staterooms. This not just the world's most expensive residence, but also the most roomy. These billionaire homes, their extensive estates, and their impressive scale not only knock our socks off, but also astound us with their impeccable opulence and grandeur. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed today's video, and we thank you for staying with us till the end. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for all new and upcoming videos. We have new ones every week. Until then, we'll see you on the next one.